You probably heard about the young girl who took her life for fear that ICE was going to deport her parents. Let's stop this fear. The stakes are higher than ever.
Officers enforcing immigration laws will now be able to arrest migrants sheltering in schools and churches.
With the ICE raids, everyone suffers. It's traumatic. But for children or next generation, it could stay with them until they're adults and affect their whole lives.
I work in education and mental health, and I too believe sanctuaries such as schools, churches, and other sacred spaces should be places of refuge and safety, not fear.
As someone that works in education, I believe every child deserves to feel safe, valued, and protected when they walk into a school.
Education is a basic human right, and no children should be scared of going to school.